Hello students. Now first exercise. See that first question. In a locality there is a main road along north and south direction. The map is given below. This one the given map. About that here east, west, north, south. For that in that figure observe here hotel, next stationery shop, hospital, and down post office. This is post office, and down school, park, water tank, like that they given. This is third street, second street, first street, here fourth street, here map, main road. This is main road, north and south directions they given. In that first question, here first question, what is the third object on the left side on street number 3? Third object left side in the street number 3. So what will be street number 3? Here in that answer water tank. Here near water tank will be. Like that see all answers. What is the third object? Question. What is the third object on the left side in street number 3? Street number 3. In that figure street number 3. So what will be? Water tank. Answer water tank. Next second question. Find the name of the name of the second house which is in right side of street number 2. Street 2. Find the name of the second house which is in right side of street number 2. Street number 2 right side. So what will be here? See this figure. See that in the diagram street number 2. Second house which is the right side of street. Here J. Answer J. Answer is J. Next third question. Locate the position of Mr. K's house. Locate the position of Mr. K's house. Here K. Where it is? Here is there. K's house. Answer third house on the right side in street number 2. Third house on the street right side of the street number 2. Third house. Third house on the right side in street number 2. Street 2 means second street, third house of the right side of third house. That is Mr. K's house. Next fourth question. How do you describe the position of the post office? Where it is post office? First place on the right side in the street number 4. Answer fourth answer. First place on the right side in 4th street. Street number 4. Next, fifth question, listen. How do you describe the location of the hospital? Hospital location. Where it is? Answer. third place on the left side in the street number 4. Answer, fifth answer. Third place on the left side in 4th street, street number 4. Second exercise. First Roman, write the quadrant in which of the following points lie. They given some points here, -2, 3, 5, -3. See, these are all answers. Which quadrant? First one, -2, 3. Here observe, in this one is belongs to which quadrant? X ordinate negative, Y ordinate positive, minus plus. We know that before in previous first part concept completed. In that concept here 4 quadrant, they divide 4 quadrant in coordinate geometry. First quadrant, second quadrant, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 like that. So it will arrange it to anti-clockwise direction. In that first quadrant both are positive, means X ordinate, Y ordinate positive. Second quadrant negative, positive, means X ordinate negative, Y ordinate positive, like that. Here minus plus is belongs to Q2, second quadrant, like that. Second one, 5, -3. Here X ordinate positive, Y ordinate negative. Positive, negative. Where it is? It is belongs to Q4, fourth quadrant. So got it? Here like this. Before concept completed, here like this. X axis, Y axis. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, 4 quadrants. Here both are positive. Here minus plus. Here minus minus. Here plus minus. Fourth quadrant plus minus, like that. It will arrange it to anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction like this. Like that. Third one. 4, 2. 4, 2. Here X ordinate positive, Y ordinate also positive. Both are positive. Which quadrant? First quadrant, Q1. Next, fourth one, -7, -6. -7, -6 is belongs to which quadrant? Both are negative, third quadrant. Got it? Here both are negative. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Both are positive, first quadrant. Next, fifth question, 0, 8. 0, 8. Here 0, 8 lies on positive Y axis. Here X ordinate 0 means 8 is Y axis. Second one is Y axis, means lies on Y axis. Why? Because here X ordinate is 0. X ordinate is 0. Next, sixth one, 3, 0. 3, 0. This one Y ordinate is 0. Y ordinate 0 means lies on X axis. Lies on X axis or lies on positive X axis. Next, seventh one, -4, 0. -4, 0. Here negative X axis lies on Y ordinate 0. Lies on X axis or negative X axis. Here write positive X axis. Here positive Y axis. This one positive number. That's why positive Y axis, positive X axis. This one lies on negative X axis or lies on X axis. Next, eighth one, 0, -6. Here X ordinate 0, Y ordinate -6 means lies on negative X axis, negative Y axis, negative Y axis or lies on Y axis. This lies on y-axis. Here first one observe again here Q2 second quadrant. What is condition here? Second quadrant x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Q2 first quadrant Q2 means what? X is less than 0, x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. And Q4 means x is greater than 0, y less than 0. This condition. Next Q1, both are positive, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Condition. This is condition for that Q1. Q3, third quadrant, x is less than 0 and y less than 0. This is condition for that. Next here 0, 8. 0, 8 means this is positive y-axis. This is positive x-axis. 3, 0 positive x-axis. This negative x-axis. This is negative y-axis.